In this video, I am going to show you how to delete last backup of your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. So first, open up Settings, and then right here at the very top, tap at your name to open up Apple ID settings. Then all you have to do is tap where it says iCloud. Now here you can find device backups. You can hit right here at iCloud backups, and now here first you can toggle backup off just by switching that switcher. Also there you can find your latest backup. You can get into it and first wait for some time until it will show you all the data. Now it says loading, and after it's loaded, there you can hit at delete and turn off backup to completely delete it from your iCloud. Keep in mind that this will delete all the device's backup data from iCloud. Also, if you don't want to completely delete the entire backup, you can toggle it off for some specific application. Like I don't want to save data for that app anymore. I don't want to back it up. This actually audio library app, I can just hit at that switcher and hit on turn off to not back up this app anymore. I can hit right here at show apps, then I can go through all of that apps, and if I don't want to back up any of them, I can toggle this switcher off. Also, right here there are no option about photo backup, because if you want to turn on or turn off photo backup, you need to go to another place. So just go out of here, go back again to iCloud, where you can find photos. You can hit right here, and now if you don't want to back up your photos to iCloud, all you have to do is just disable sync this iPhone feature. Just hit at the switcher and turn it off, as in my case. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.